Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about citation style guide. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button for more updates. Citation style guide functions of review of literature and studies. 1. To provide justification of the study. 2. To identify gaps, problems, and needs of related studies. 3. To provide rationale of the study as well as the reasons of conducting the study. And 4. To have bases that will be used to support findings of the study. There are different characteristics of the material cited. Sarno enumerated the different characteristics of the literature and studies to be cited in the present study. First, the material must be as recent as possible, maybe 10 years back. Materials must be as objective and unbiased as possible. Third, material must be relevant to the study. 4. Coherence principle must be observed in writing literature review. Citation Style Guide. References is an important part of research paper. It must be consistent and easy to read across different papers. There are predefined styles stating how to set them out. These are called citation styles. Different subjects prefer to use different styles. Referencing is a method used to demonstrate to the readers that you have conducted a thorough and appropriate literature research and reading. So we have the following citation style. We have APA, which is American Psychological Association. APA is an author date-based style. This means emphasis in place on the author and the date of piece of work to uniquely identify it. MLA, Modern Language Association. MLA is most often applied by the arts and humanities, particularly in the USA. It is arguably the most well-used of all citation styles. Harvard. Harvard is a very similar to APA or APA, where APA is primarily used in the USA. Harvard referencing is the most well-used referencing style in the UK and Australia and is encouraged for use with the humanities. Vancouver. The Vancouver style is mainly used in medical and scientific papers. Chicago and Turabian. These are two separate styles but are very similar, just like Harvard and APA. These are widely used for history and economics. Most of the education researches and social sciences or science researches use American Psychological Association or APA referencing. APA requires that information be cited in two different ways, within the text and in the reference list at the end of the paper. The reference list should be on a new page, double space, and use the hanging indent method. All lines after the first one are indented. We have the different citation. We have the in-text citation. Under in-text citation, we have direct quotation numbers. This is use of quotation marks around the quote and include page numbers. So, this is the direct quotation. Ibig sabihin, kinukuha mo ng buo yung sinabi ng tao. So, example, Samovar and Porter, 1997, point out that quotation, language involves a touching meaning to symbols. Page 188. Okay, so that is a first quotation and a sample of direct quotation numbers. Pwede rin siyang ganito kapag at the end of this quotation, pwedeng at the end, hindi mo na isusulat yan, so pwedeng, Samovar and Porter, 1997. Okay. Let's write first the name. And you will use this one and Porter. Then, comma, 1997. Seven. Then, page 188. then close parenthesis. So, pwede rin siyang ganito na gawin. Okay, instead of nakaiwalay yung Samovar and Porter 1997, pwede rin siyang ganito or pwede rin ito. Okay? Now, another is what we call the indirect quotation or paraphrasing. No quotation marks. Pag sabing indirect quotation, no quotation mark, ibig sabihin, you paraphrase the quote given by a researchers. Okay? So, halimbawa, attaching meaning to symbols is considered to be the origin of written language. That's according to Samovar and Porter, 1997. So, when you are using indirect quotation, there will be no page number for this because you already paraphrase what has been taught or told by these researchers. Now, how to write references using books, newspaper, journal, and online documents. So, I give you samples. Format for citing references. For books, we have first the author name, and then the year, and then the title of the book, edition if not first, then city, and then the publisher. So, we have example. Book by a single author, we have example, Leshin, C dot, B dot. So, ibig sabihin, this is the name maybe, and then this is the middle initial of the name and initial of the middle name, and then we have the year 1997, and then the title of the book, Management on the World Wide Web dot Englewood Cliffs, and J, that's the city, and then the publisher is Prentice Hall. Next naman, if the book have more than one author, so we have Cornet, M, Willie, BJ, and Sankar S. So you will use this as the symbol for N. And then this you use comma to separate the names of the authors, and use the initials of the name and the middle name for the authors. And then the year, and then the title, and then second edition if there is an edition. Then London's the city, and the publisher is McMonster Publishing. Now, if the journal article, or if you use journal article in your research, this is the way you cite the reference. So you have the author's name, the year, same, title of the article, the title of journal, volume number, issue number, page number. So we have example, Barry H. 1996, Cross-Cultural Research with Much Pairs of Societies. That the title of the article. The title of the journal is Journal of Science Psychology. The volume is I think this is 79, issued number 1. Pages is 25 to 33. Okay, so another, if there are more than 2 authors, so we have this one. This is a sample of more than 2 authors. And then again, we have the title of the journal, the title of the article, the volume, and the pages where you can find the article. For electronic referencing, we have the author's name, the year or month, much better if you have the month of where you retrieve the article, title of article, title of the newspaper, retrieved from the homepage web address. For instance, another C 2009 June 19, this is the day you retrieve the article. Then mental health issues soar among children dot the age, I think that's the title of the newspaper, retrieved from, you will write retrieved from, it's automatic, and then the site, http, whatever site is that. Okay, you need to copy paste the link and then put it on your references. With that, thank you very much. So that's all about the citation style guide in writing literature review. If you please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification buttons for more updates. Bye.